Good day, students. How are you doing? It's me again, Sir Oliver, and welcome to our new tutorial video, which is part 2 of the translating word phrases into mathematical statement or expression. This time, we will be translating word sentences or problems or statements, sentences into equations. Okay. So this time the operation equals. Okay? Expression symbol is this one. Can be written as is equal to, is the same as, produces, yields, results in. So more or less the other phrases that we'll be using are the operations, okay? So the one that we had in part 1. So this time it involves expression, which is equals. So for example, we have 15 more than a number is -7. So 15 more than a number more than, so it's plus, so is here is equal, more than is plus, and then a number can be x, right, and then plus 15 or 15 plus x, and then equal to -7. So 15 plus x equal to -7. So basically, if we solve this one, this becomes to isolate x, we have to subtract 15 on both sides, and it becomes x equal to -22. And yeah, that's your x already. Next is let's try to translate and then solve. Solve 13 more than the product of 4 and a number yields 9. Okay, so 13 more than the product of 4 and number yields 9. So yields is equal, and more than is plus and product. So product, or let's go with the product of 4 and a number. So product of 4 and a number is 4x, right? And we have more than, so 4x plus 13. 4x, 13 plus 4x, and equal to 9. So 13 plus 4x equal to 9. And if we solve that, we have to isolate x. So subtract 13 on both sides, and then we have 4x equal to -4, which is, if we divide 4 on both sides, we have -1, x as -1. Another example, we have 3 times the difference of a number, and 5 is equal to 7 times the number, -12. So we have difference is equal to times and minus. We also have minus. So we have here is equal to, that's the symbol, and then times, 3 times the difference of a number and 5. So we have to get difference of number and 5. So x minus 5, remember, difference, you replace and as the subtraction symbol, and then 3 times, so you have to place them in a parenthesis and you have to multiply 3, is equal to 7 times the number, so 7x minus 12. Okay, so 3 quantity x minus 5 equal to 7x minus 12. So if you notice, the one on the left side of the equation are the first, this one, and on the other side of the equation is this. Okay, then if we solve that one, we now distribute this 3 here, then we have 3x minus 15 equal to 7x minus 12, and then we have to isolate x, so we subtract -7x on both sides. Next, so this becomes -4x minus 15 equal to -12. So to isolate the x, variable x, we have to add 15 on both sides. So basically that is -4x equal to 3, right? And then, because 15 minus 12 is basically 3. So we divide -4 on both sides, which gives us x as -3/4. Okay, so let's have try to answer the following items. We have 32 less than 3 times a number is 15. These are the choices. So 32 less than, so it's less than means subtraction, right? 3 times a number is, so we have equal sign here, equal 15. So 32 less than 3 times a number, so 32, 3x, 3 times 1, so 3x minus 12 equal to 15. So that is, sorry, not 12, 32. 3x minus 12 equal to 15. So it's letter B. Okay, next, you can pause and play to answer this question. So you can, these are the possible representation. So the quotient of 4 less than, quotient, then less than a number, and 5 is the same as, so the same as the number divided by 8. So this is equal. So if you notice, less than, the quotient of 4 less than a number, so x minus 4 over 5, right? Because it's quotient. Quotient, so the and here will be replaced by division or the fraction. So yeah, 4 x minus 4 over 5. Yeah, by the way, it's using n, so n minus 4 over 5, and then is the same as, equal to the number divided by, so the number, same number, n divided by 8. So it's letter divided by, or division 8. The number, this is n, right? So letter D. For more examples and for more problems, application on this, on problems involving quadratic equation, you can watch the video on that also.